All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a follow-up on my watch list. And for those of you who have not seen my previous videos, at the beginning of the year, I actually picked 70 stocks that were between the price of $20 and $50 that were in a clear downtrend. And here's the list here. And I had an alert set up so where my moving averages cross over each other. I would get an alert that lets me know if the stock is more than likely going to be going into an uptrend and if there's going to be a turnaround. And today we do have a stock that we're going to be looking at. Here's the symbol. The symbol is going to be NFXL. It's the EFT. Now, as you guys can see over here, I have my moving averages color coded. So just by looking at the chart, I can tell if we're in a clear downtrend or uptrend, and I don't have to do a lot of calculating or anything else like that. When my red line moving average is at the top and it's pointing down, and my green line moving average is at the bottom and that's pointing down, that lets me know I'm in a clear downtrend like you can see over here. Now, the other thing is if the green line moving average is on top and it's pointing up and the red line moving average is at the bottom and it's pointing up, that lets me know I'm in a clear uptrend like we see over here. So what happened is we were in a clear downtrend right here. And then eventually we had that crossover to where our green line moving averages crossed over. It's on the top and it's pointing up. And then we have our red line moving averages here, but it's pointing sideways. So I'm not actually going to jump or buy the trade right now, or buy the stock or jump into this trade until this red line moving average starts to point up as well, because there could be a possible turnaround where the stock continues to drop. As you can see, it was starting to rise here. It did a little bit of a pullback, but we're not going to clearly jump into this trade until our red line moving averages starts to point up as well, and it's at the bottom of the green line moving averages. Another thing that we're going to be looking at is our RSI, which is right over here. This red dotted line that you see, that is the 50. That's the 50 mark, and as long as our RSI stays above that, we know that we're probably going to be going in an uptrend. Like over here, we can see that it came down. It penetrated the red dotted line, which is the 50 mark. But now it's pointing up, and it should be going up. And that also helps to reinforce the idea that this stock is going to be going into an uptrend. If you're interested in learning how to trade stocks, you can sign up for my course on Udemy, which is called Stock Trading Simple Beginner Guide, which is one of the highest rated stock trading courses on Udemy as of right now.